Contender ready. Gladiators ready. 3, 2, 1.
Ratings have surged for new reality shows which are not affected by the writer's strike, much like Happy Hour, because we're not produced without scripts, at least none that we didn't write ourselves. NBC battered all season in the Nielsen's, racked up big numbers 3 times in a week this month with the debuts of The American Gladiator, The Biggest Loser, and The Celebrity Apprentice. Joining us now are Wolf and Crush from the new show American Gladiators. How you guys doing?
How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. But so, guys, first off, how do you even end up becoming an American Gladiator?
Well, we kind of have different stories.
I figure I'll let you go first.
We've both been gladiators all our lives. You know, I've been a professional rodeo clown bullfighter for 23 years. I've been fighting 2,000-pound bulls for this entire time, and
doggone it, you know, I have a 1957 bull riding belt buckle champion thing from my father that I wear on the show sometimes.
Awesome.
I didn't know to wear it tonight.
See, I've got the
He's got his
Salinas Bullfight Championship
Salinas.
right there. Yep, Salinas.
California, I mean Kansas, right?
I know, Salinas, California.
Salinas, California.
Yeah. And then
Salina,
Crush
Kansas.
here.
That's what I'm thinking of.
Crush
And
is a
yours?
gladiator.
I'm a professional fighter on Showtime.
Oh, of course.
Cage
All
fighting.
right. So you guys are now gladiators. You're doing this for a living. The show is breaking out. Like, I mean, how does this happen? What do you guys actually do on Monday nights? You go out, you fight people like me? I'm not scared, by the way. Did I mention that earlier?
Yeah. I see the sweat.
I know, the beads of sweat are starting to form.
It's the suit, for the record, the bright lights.
Right,
You guys, you know,
yeah.
you're all sleeveless. You got a nice jacket on, of course.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, but so, no, in all seriousness.
Monday nights, you know, it's American Gladiators. It's just like the old Gladiators, the original show, where contestants from around the country are coming competing for $100,000 cash. The only thing is now we've amped it up. You know, it's bigger, better, faster, stronger.
I think you guys really want to amp it up. They should like take the $100,000 out of your guys' salary if you don't win.
But
whichever gladiator fails on that contest, $10,000 hit.
I think we need to have you on the show.
I am all over it. I am so not scared
But
of
I'll
you
tell
guys.
you what, they were smart not to do it that way. It would have ended up costing NBC more money had they done that and taken it up.
So you guys would take home all
because I would hurt them, and the insurance rates would go up so much.
Somehow, I actually did get scared off of that little thing.
Yeah.
So guys, more to the point, like even as you're doing this for your careers, because this is a business show, we don't just have fun around here, but you guys, is this what your thrust of your career is now? Do you see this opening doors for you? Is this your big break? Is this just another step in the process?
It's definitely a step into the entertainment business for me.
Do you want to be an actress? Do you want to do more reality TV? You want to do
I'm
executive
open.
stuff?
I'm very open to whatever comes my way. You know, God's got a plan, and you know, whatever happens, happens.
Fair enough. All right, and you?
I've been an entertainer all my life. I just enjoy entertaining in all the different fields. This was a perfect blend of, you know, sports entertainment. You know, I've been an athlete all my life and an entertainer, and this just, you know, fell into my lap, and it was just a natural thing for me, and I love it. It will hopefully open some doors for other things. You know, I'd love to do movies. You know, my motto is bigger than Pitt. You know, so.
I think you'd make a good gladiator, actually.
You know, I think, you know, I'm not scared. I'll hit the gladiators. You guys, let's do it. We'll be right back with a whole lot more Happy Hour.